Hi, I'm Scott Rawls. I'm president of Wake Technical Community College, and welcome to this virtual open house. We'd much prefer to be with you in person, to be seeing and greeting you face to face, but because of the pandemic, we've moved everything online. This semester, our courses at Wake Tech are offered primarily in an online format or a hybrid format, which brings virtual as well as seated together in the best of a hybrid environment. At Wake Tech, technology-based education, including online education, is nothing new to us. In fact, Wake Tech has been rated the #1 online community college in the country by 2 national rankings. Our instructors go through a very involved certification process, and we provide training for all of our students as well. Online students have the option to learn at your own pace or to log in at set days and times to attend a virtual class. Now, while the majority of our classes are today virtual, that's not always going to be the case. And at Wake Tech, you'll find dynamic campuses with some of the best facilities in the country, whether it's IT, healthcare, or STEM, or baking, biotechnology, or our new Center for Building Technologies. So our virtual open house is designed to help you learn about all the outstanding programs and resources that are here at Wake Tech, more than you could ever imagine, and then find the right fit for you and get the ball rolling. So here are 3 things we recommend you attempt to achieve as part of this virtual open house. First, attend a presentation for the program that interests you the most today. Number 2, learn about the financial aid process and get your questions answered. And 3, learn about the steps to apply. They're really very simple. There are presentations, live Q&As, and other sessions to help you. And throughout this entire process, keep in mind that Wake Tech is your community's college. Wake Tech's one of the largest colleges in North Carolina with more opportunities than you could imagine. But our goal is also to remain small and to remain personal, and hopefully you feel that during this virtual open house. We're excited to see you. We're excited you're here. We look forward to seeing you very soon, whether it's in a virtual class or one of our seated classes on campus. Thank you for taking part in this open house.